This is pin and disc wear apparatus equipment. This is the control unit and this is the equipment, and this is the this unit we require 5 amps power connection. This is the wire and this is the this 5 amps power connection, and for this apparatus we need 3-phase connection. We need to give 3-phase connection for MCB. Okay? And initially firstly we need to switch
ಅದು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಯೂಸ್, ಲೂಬ್ರಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಅದು.
This is 3-phase connection. This is for only for lubrication unit. Yes. For motor 3-phase connection. And control unit not required 3-phase only. This required only single phase connection and 5 amps connection. And initially we need, this is the mains on switch. We need to switch on the equipment. All the indicators will read display. And this is the tear button. We need to press this one.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ
0 and this one.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ yes.
Initially we need to set for 0 for all the indicators. Okay, this is the start for motor switch on, and this is the motor switch off, and this is the speed controller of motor. This is the unit of pin and disc apparatus. This is the environmental chamber. This is the LVDT sensor. This is the load cell sensor. And this LVDT sensor and this load cell sensor, these wires we are connecting into these indicators. And this is the RPM indicator, and this is the RPM sensor, proximity sensor. This one also we are connecting into this one. Initially we need to switch on the equipment. Initially we need to
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ
fuse ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ
ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು
ಬಿಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಮನ್. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಅಲೆನ್ ಕೀ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೂಸ್. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಅಲೆನ್ ಕೀ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫುಲ್ಲ
ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು.
both the side. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ
ಸುಳ್ಳು ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೊಂದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಹುಡುಗರೇ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ,
ಬೇಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
we need to both the unit we need to open the Allen board, then we need to remove, we need to remove this one, then keep it inside, and by using the small Allen key we need to remove these two and these two. 4 we need to open this one, we need to open this one, and we need to place the specimen, either copper or brass, any of the pin up to 3 to 12 mm is there, 3 to 12 mm distance is there. We need to place any diameter of the pin we need to place, and ball also we need to remove this pin, and we need to place the ball inside the chamber only. Then you can close the unit. Okay, then
ಒಂದು ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಿದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ
ಅದು ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ ಎಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ನೀವು.
lock the by using the Allen key we need to lock.
ಹುಡುಗರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇದೆ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳವರು, ಇದು ತೆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Then just tighten.
ಇದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಬೇಡ.
Same thing here also. Okay, then here the loading unit. We need to place the dead weights here only. Here we have given 10 numbers of weights. Each one is 2 kg. Initially we are placing the 2 kg weight. Okay, then and here this is the lubrication unit. Whatever the lubrication we require we need to control by using the this valve only, and we are giving these connections. While transportation, we are removing these 4 connections. Only 4 connections we are removing. For load cell, same wire. For load cell, LVDT we need to connect here. Load cell, this one, and mains on switch and RPM switch. Then for this, we need to play 0. Then for switch on the motor, we need to just press the green color button. Then we need to give speed adjustment using the drive controller. Now see, this is the 600 RPM.
ಅದೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ ಲೋಡು
800 RPM. According to your specification,
1000.
we need to give 2000 RPM. Maximum is 2800. Slowly we need to give 1100 RPM, 1200 RPM, 300, 400. $2000. According to your specification, 2000 RPM. It will come more than the 2000. It will come. For student experiment, we need to step by step we need to give the speed controller. Initially, we are giving
1000 ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 1500 ಸಾಕು.
For 1000 RPM, we need to make the tabular column. One is speed indicator for 1000 RPM, and weight we are placing the 2 kg load. Then we need to take the reading of this digital load indicator and digital LVDT indicator. For we need to wait for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Every 2 to 2 minutes for 10 readings, we need to take the readings. This LVDT indicator and load indicator. Wait just
ಆಯಿಲ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೊಂಟೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋದು. ಆಯಿಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ.
For 6 kg load, we are placing the 6 kg load. RPM is 1000 RPM. LVDT is in 10.
104 microns.
This is 0.104 means 104 microns.
Yes.
Unit is in microns. 104 microns. This is 0.76 kg load indicator. If you
Frictional force.
Frictional force. If you change the speed, it will vary. See 1000 RPM, 1100.
Frictional force ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
1260.
ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ವೆಯ್ಟು?
Now 1500 RPM and load we have placing the 6 kg and check for LVDT indicator, frictional force. If you are placing again one more 2 kg.
ಇವು ಆಗ್ತಾರೇನೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
See also 10 kg now. Now we are placing the 10 kg load. Speed is 1500, LVDT 161 microns and load is 1.2 kg. Force indicator is 1.2 kg. According to see, now is 10 kg load. This is the like this. We need to conduct the experiment for students. Different RPM, different load.
20 kg ಫುಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ.
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ఇప్పుడు ಹಾಕಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ.
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ 20 kg ಲೋಡ್. RPM is ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯಿಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಆಯಿಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ನೋ
ಬೇರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಅವಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವೇರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಹ್ಞೂ
ನೀವು 1500 RPM